G'day guys, it's Tommy here from Raw Blend. Today I'm super excited to be introducing to you the Blendtec household range of blenders in Australia and comparing the different models available. We are the original Vitamix dealers in Australia. We've been selling Vitamix for over 30 years and that's not going to change. We've also been selling Blendtec through our sister website Blenders Online for about 5 years. Blendtec is another high quality blending brand manufactured in the USA. Now, a lot of household customers ask us for a quiet household model, and the Blendtec Professional 800 model is as quiet as a normal conversation. This is basically the same household model used by Boost Juice Australia wide, except it comes in a household package with a 10-year warranty. I'm going to explain the features of it in more detail in a moment. Now, Blendtec blenders are renowned for their super powerful motors and for their tamper-free jars. Blendtec uses a Wild Side Plus jar. These jars actually have a fifth side on their container, which helps to create that vortex and suck everything better into the blade. Now I'm going to compare the different models, starting with their similarities. All the different models use the exact same Wild Side Plus jar. This is BPA free, it's very easy to clean. It comes with a 2-piece lid, so you can add in ingredients whilst you're blending, which is great. It also comes with a blunt safety blade. It's 80% thicker and 10 times stronger than normal blades. So it's going to create a really smooth consistency. You've probably seen Blendtec used on their YouTube channel, Will It Blend, where they blend up iPhones, they blend up glow sticks and broomsticks. This blade can basically blend anything. It's super strong and durable. One of the things I love about Blendtec is that all the different jars and accessories are compatible with every model. I'm gonna go into that in more detail in a moment. Now for the differences between the different models. So these are the two entry point models. They're exactly the same price at about $800 excluding GST. This is the Total Blender Classic model. This is Blendtec's original model that you've probably seen in Will It Blend. It has 6 pre-programmed cycles. This is the Blendtec 575 blender. It has 4 pre-programmed cycles and more manual control with your speed settings. So if you're looking for a more automatic style with more pre-programmed settings, then I recommend the Total Blender. If you're looking for more manual control with your speed, then I recommend the 575. Both models have tactile push buttons and they include a pulse feature. Now these 3 models are all the same horsepower. They're all 3 peak horsepower, so super powerful, while the Pro 800 is 3.8. Now these are our 2 high-end models. This is the Blendtec 650S and this is the Blendtec Professional 800. Now firstly, you'll notice these models probably look a lot more modern. I love the stainless steel finish on the 650. It looks amazing in any kitchen. This one obviously doesn't have a sound cover, but both these models have a nice illuminated touch display, which I love. The 650 has 6 pre-programmed cycles. We've got batters, drinks, smoothies, ice cream. This is a whole juice setting for thicker smoothies and soups. We also have a pulse button and we have a slider which offers super easy blending control. It also includes a timer to let us know how long the blend's been running for. And now the Blendtec Professional 800 model. This is our best selling household model because of the sound cover. It offers all the features of the 650S model, but it includes the sound cover with added sound dampening around the motor base, so it's super quiet. Now the Pro 800 also has the touch screen with the illuminated display, super easy to control. You'll notice we have the same 6 programmed cycles as the 650S model. We've got the pulse button over here. If you want to cancel your blending, you hit the cross button. Now if I press this button, it's going to bring up our manual control setting. So I can just move my finger along this slider to increase the speed. can see how much quieter it is when I shut the hood on the sound cover. You're not going to wake up your neighbors in the morning. That's why so many customers love using this model. Now the 650S retails for $1,100 plus GST, and the Pro 800 retails for $1,800 plus GST. Now the different warranties, these two models include a 2-year warranty for household use. The 650S includes an 8-year warranty, and the Pro 800 includes an amazing 10-year warranty for household use. Now lastly, I'll just run through the accessories available for household use. For blending thicker quantities like nut butters and ice creams, Blendtec have developed a twister jar. So this is a swivel twisting jar that's going to scrape the sides and incorporate everything into the blades. The twister jar also includes this silicone spatula, which is great for getting your nut butters out of the container. And we have the mini wild side jar. So this is just a smaller version of our full size jar for customers wanting to blend smaller quantities. Now you might have noticed a couple of blenders behind me. Blendtec also offers a range of commercial blenders used by Boost Juice, for example. So they're super high quality and a reputable brand. So I hope this video has been helpful. Please reach out if you have any questions. We'll be happy to help. Until then, happy blending.